Are you searching for the best camera for photography in 2025? Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro ready to upgrade, the choices can be overwhelming. Today, we're cutting through the noise. We've conducted in-depth research to bring you the top 5 cameras that offer incredible performance, features, and value for your money. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. All the product links are in the description below. Let's jump right in with our number 5 pick. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera with the 18-55mm kit lens. If you're just starting your photography journey, this camera is one of the most friendly and approachable options out there. It's incredibly lightweight and compact, making it a fantastic companion for travel or daily shooting without weighing you down. What makes it great for beginners is Canon's guided UI, a feature that visually explains camera functions to help you learn settings as you go. Powering the camera is the Digic 8 image processor, which is key to its responsive performance and excellent image quality. You get a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor that captures beautiful, high-resolution photos with vibrant colors. For focusing, it utilizes a reliable 9-point AF system when viewing through the classic optical viewfinder and Canon's fantastic dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection when using the screen. The 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD is another huge plus. You can flip it out for high or low angles or turn it around for vlogging. It's also capable of recording in 4K UHD, a feature that's excellent for creating high-quality home movies. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily transfer your favorite shots to your phone to share instantly. It's a complete package for learning photography. Coming in at number 4 is the Canon EOS R10 mirrorless camera. This represents a significant leap in speed and performance, making it ideal for enthusiasts seeking to capture fast-moving action. Whether it's sports, wildlife, or your kids running around the backyard, the R10 is built for speed. It boasts a high-speed continuous shooting capability of up to 15 frames per second with its mechanical shutter and an even faster 23 frames per second with the electronic shutter, ensuring you never miss the decisive moment. The autofocus system is a huge highlight here, inheriting technology from Canon's pro-level cameras. It uses dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which covers nearly the entire sensor area and has advanced subject detection algorithms. This EOS ITR AFX system can intelligently detect and track people, animals, including dogs, cats, and birds, and even vehicles with incredible precision. The camera is built around a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering beautiful image quality with exceptional detail. For videographers, it offers uncropped 4K UHD video at up to 30 frames per second, which is oversampled from 6K data for incredible sharpness and clarity. The lightweight body and deep ergonomic grip provide a secure feel in your hand, making it a joy to shoot with for extended periods. For the aspiring action and wildlife photographer, the EOS R10 is a true powerhouse. Our number 3 pick is the Sony Alpha 6700 APS-C mirrorless camera. Sony is renowned for its exceptional autofocus technology, and the A6700 incorporates flagship features into a compact APS-C body. This camera is designed for the modern hybrid creator who demands professional-level performance for both photos and videos without the bulk of a full-frame system. At its core is a 26.0 megapixel back-illuminated Exmor-R sensor and the powerful Bion XR processor. But the real game-changer is its dedicated AI processing unit. This isn't just about face and eye detection. The AI processor utilizes detailed information about human forms and poses to significantly enhance recognition accuracy. It knows where the eye should be, even if the subject's face is obscured. This extends to a broader range of subjects, too, including birds, insects, cars, and planes. You can shoot continuously at up to 11 frames per second with full AF/AE tracking. For video, it's a monster, capable of shooting high-quality 4K at up to 120 frames per second for stunning slow motion. It also features 5-axis in-body optical image stabilization, giving you up to 5 stops of compensation for smoother handheld video and sharper photos in low light. With a vari-angle touchscreen and a bright electronic viewfinder, it's a versatile and powerful tool for any creator. In our number 2 spot, we have the gorgeous Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. This camera is for the photographer who cherishes the art and tactile experience of taking pictures. Fujifilm has a well-earned reputation for its classic manual dial-based design and its phenomenal class-leading color science, and the X-T5 is a perfect example of this philosophy. It simply feels inspiring to use, with dedicated physical dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation that connect you directly to the photographic process. But don't let the retro looks fool you. This is a cutting-edge machine. It features a new 5th generation 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor. This incredible resolution captures an astonishing amount of detail, providing you with immense flexibility for large prints or cropping into your images without compromising quality. The X-T5 also features a pixel shift multi-shot mode, allowing for the creation of massive 160 megapixel files for ultimate resolution. The powerful X Processor 5 ensures the camera remains fast and responsive. It also features in-body image stabilization, providing up to 7 stops of compensation, a significant advantage for handheld shooting. Plus, you get access to Fujifilm's celebrated film simulation modes, allowing you to get beautiful, stylized looks straight out of the camera. For photographers who want unparalleled image quality and a camera that feels like a true partner in creativity, the Fujifilm X-T5 is a masterpiece. And finally, our #1 pick for the best camera for photography in 2025 is the Sony Alpha 7 IV or A7 IV full-frame mirrorless camera. This camera is the ultimate hybrid powerhouse. It truly is the one camera that can do it all and do it all exceptionally well. It's perfect for professionals and serious enthusiasts who shoot a mix of portraits, landscapes, events, and high-end video, and who need a reliable tool that will never be the limiting factor in their creativity. It's built around a 33-megapixel full-frame XMOR-R sensor that delivers breathtaking image quality with exceptional low light performance and an impressive 15-plus stops of dynamic range. The autofocus, powered by the Bion XR engine, is simply best in class, featuring Sony's legendary real-time IAF for humans, animals, and birds that is astonishingly fast and sticky. For videographers, the A7 IV is a dream come true. It can shoot 4K 60 in Super 35 mode and full-frame 4K 30 oversampled directly from the sensor's 7K resolution, resulting in unbelievably detailed footage. Crucially, it records in 10-bit 422 color depth, providing you with significant flexibility in post-production. Features like active mode stabilization for smooth handheld work and a digital audio interface for pristine sound make it a complete video solution. It's the Swiss Army knife of cameras, excelling at everything you throw at it. Quick recap. So, which one is right for you? Let's break it down one last time. Just getting started and on a budget? The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is your perfect entry point, thanks to its guided menus and lightweight design. Ready to capture fast action like sports or wildlife? The Canon EOS R10 offers incredible speed and advanced autofocus tracking. Looking for a compact camera with world-class AI autofocus for both photos and video? The Sony Alpha 6700 is a technological marvel. Are you a purist who loves the craft of photography and wants stunning image quality? The Fujifilm X-T5 delivers with its high-resolution sensor and tactile controls. Do you need the absolute best all-around hybrid camera for professional results in any situation? The Sony Alpha 7 IV is our top pick for its unmatched versatility and performance. I hope this guide helped you narrow down your choices. Let me know in the comments which camera you're leaning towards and what you love to shoot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.